Today I'm making choy sum with homemade wonton mee sauce. Sweet and crunchy, slightly salty and very fragrant. It's perfect with rice or noodles. This recipe is for 4 to 6 servings. The ingredients needed are 500 grams of choy sum, 3 tablespoons of homemade wonton mee sauce. I made it a while ago for some wonton mee. 2 tablespoons of crispy fried shallots, half tablespoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of onion oil. This is optional. The full list of ingredients and the recipe for wonton mee sauce are in the see more link. Boil a big pot of water over medium heat until the small bubbles appear. Add all the salt and stir to dissolve. Cover the pot and let it come to a rolling boil. Prepare another basin of room temperature water to shock the vegetable later. Alright, now the water is boiling vigorously. Add all the choy sum into the boiling water. Wow, they are huge. Use a pair of tongs to submerge them completely in the hot water. Spread them out to evenly cook them. Cover the pan and boil it for about 1 minute. After 1 minute, the choy sum is almost cooked. Rotate the choy sum to evenly cook them. Before removing them with a strainer, and immediately submerge them in the water here for about 10 seconds. Switch off the heat. Then, remove the choy sum from the water and place them in a colander over the basin to drip off the excess water. Once all the excess water drips off, arrange the choy sum in a serving plate. With a pair of scissors, cut the choy sum into bite-sized lengths. Evenly spread the leaf and the stem around the plate. Drizzle all the onion oil over the choy sum. This is optional. Followed by the wonton mee sauce. Pour spoonful of sauce over the choy sum equally. Sprinkle the crispy fried shallot as well. Now our choy sum with wonton mee sauce is ready to be served. Let's eat! Choy sum is still crunchy and very sweet, fragrant with the onion oil. The wonton sauce is sweet salty and blends so well with the vegetable and crispy fried shallot. This is perfect with rice or noodles. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!